and this is my horizontal line. So if the boy is looking down to the football, it is the angle of depression. Suppose here, if the boy is looking to the top, some bird is here, correct? So this theta is called angle of elevation. So this is my angle of elevation, correct? If he is looking on top, if the boy is looking down like this, it is called the angle of depression. And we have to be very thorough about what? Trigonometric formulas in this. We are going to apply our trigonometric formula. So for that first question, I'll write it down here. Find the height of the flagpole if the angle of elevation is 30 degree. If the angle of elevation is 30 degree and the distance of the flag from the observer is 15 meter. First thing, solution. Flag pole is there. So we all know what is a pole, correct? First thing, draw the ground. Or else you can draw the flag pole also. So I'm just drawing the flag pole here. Angle of elevation, correct? So let the flag observer be somewhere here. Elevation. Elevation means I draw what? Like this. From the horizontal, I have to look into the top. That is how much? 30 degree, he has told. Distance of the flag. This is the observer thing, correct? This part is the observer. This is the height of the flagpole. That we have to find. This is my pole. What is a flagpole? Flagpole is somewhere. I'll hoist my flag. Correct? For that, I'll just draw the flagpole also for you. Then I think it will be more clear. So this is a flag. Let's consider this as a flag. That's it. This is the observer's thing. Correct? And the distance of the flag from the observer is 15 meters. So this distance is what? 15 meter respectively. So I'll put ABC as a triangle, right angled at C. Okay, so for all the heights and distance problem, we use tan. Mostly we use tan. So we use what? Tan 30. Tan 30 is what? Opposite side. What is my opposite side? AC. Opposite side by base. AC by BC. What is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by root 3. AC value we have to find. What is AC? Height of the flagpole. By BC value is 15. So AC is equal to 15 by root 3. That's it. The height of the flagpole is what? 15 by root 3. Simple thing. So any doubt is there, please let me know. So in this question, if you want, you can rationalize also. Correct. How do you rationalize this thing? Multiply by root 3. Then the answer will become what? 5 root 3 respectively. That's all. If you want to rationalize. But make sure that we don't do any mistakes. If everyone is done, let me know this thing. See guys, one more thing I'll tell you. See, one more thing is, if you want, you can find using cos 30 also. But cos 30 will only give me hypotenuse value. Okay, then you would use Pythagoras theorem and then get it. So we will use a faster method. That is the reason I gave you tan 30. But I'll give you one more question where we don't use tan, where we use sine. One more thing I'll give, one more question. A child was playing at the top of the hill. Top of the hill. He had thrown a stone in the lake, thrown a stone in the lake. From the hill. The distance covered by the stone was 150 meter. Stone was 150 meter. And the angle of depression. So elevation is over here, angle of depression was 30 degree. Then what is the height of the hill? What is the height of the hill? First thing is, let my hill be somewhere here. This is my hill. Okay. The most important point in this is angle of depression. This is my most important thing in this. He had thrown a stone in the lake also. So a lake is also somewhere here. So the lake, I will mark it here. So he has thrown a stone. Correct? Now to the hill, I'll draw a horizontal. I'll draw a horizontal here. Now read this question very clearly. A child was playing at the top of the hill. Here the child was playing. He had thrown a stone in the lake. He had thrown a stone in the lake from the hill. The distance covered by the stone was 150 meter. So then we have to join this hill and the lake, because the distance is what? 150 meter, which is given. And the angle of depression was 30 degrees. So angle of depression is 30 degree. Then what is the height of the hill? This is the thing. What is the height of the hill? So this is from lake to here. This is my height of the hill, so that I will join. This one I have to find this height. How do I find this thing? Correct. Here, if I'm using tan 30, if I'm using tan 30 here, it will be what? Opposite side is this one. Opposite angle. Correct? Opposite side by base. Both of the things are not given. So tan 30 I cannot use here. And one important thing, we have to name this thing ABC. Hypotenuse is given. Correct? Then height values also is there. So what is my sine 30? Sine 30 is opposite side by hypotenuse, or AB by AC. So what is opposite side? Height by hypotenuse 130. What is sine 30 value? 1 by 2. Correct? So height value will be what? 75 meter. That's it. Is it clear? Or any doubt? So the only learning from this, I'll tell you, try to draw the figures first. Correct? Try to understand the question. Okay. Do it like a puzzle. Do it something like interesting thing. Don't do it treat like a question. Correct? It's very easy once you visualize this thing. Hill is there, a boy is playing the hill. Then a lake is there, he's throwing the stone to the lake. So the longest side will be hypotenuse, that is given 150 meter. Correct? We have to find the height of the hill. So only from the lake we can know how much height it is, because lake is on the ground. Correct? Then we cannot use tan 30, because tan 30 is what? Opposite side. Height by AB by BC is tan 30. Correct? Only thing is opposite side by hypotenuse sin 30. Cos 30 we cannot use because BC value is not given. Okay. So this is a simple way to do this question. So any doubt is there, please let me know. So one more done, I'll go to the next question. So the third example for this kind. A person standing at point A is looking up at the angle of elevation. Is looking up at the angle of elevation of 45 degree to the aeroplane, which is at a height of 100 meter. As the aeroplane is going upwards, after some time, the person was looking at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. At an angle of elevation of 60 degree. Then what will be the increase in height of aeroplane? Then what will be the increase in height of aeroplane from the ground at an angle of 60 degree? Big question. So big questions are always easy for us to solve. First thing, a person is there on the ground. He is looking at an aeroplane. Correct? So draw the lines. Connect the 2 points. So first time he's looking at an angle, how much? He's looking at an angle of 45 degree. Then afterwards, he's looking at an angle of 60 degree. So first one is how much? 45 degree. So to 45 degree, we will draw a line. Correct? After some time, what will happen? It will go to 60 degree. So 45 degree is this much and 60 degree will be this huge thing. So at 45 degree, the height of the aeroplane was what? First, the aeroplane was at point C. It was 100 meters. So if I mark here A, B, C, and this is D, correct? So they are telling what is the question? What is the question? What will be the increase in height of the aeroplane? So what is CD they are asking us? So what is CD? So CD, I'll give it as what? X. Correct? So first thing, since they're given as 100 here, first thing I told you, tan 45, we will calculate. What is it? BC by AB. What is tan 45? Tan 45 value is what? 1 itself. So 1 is equal to BC by AB. So this implies BC is equal to AB. BC is what? 100. So AB will be 100. AB value I got it as 100. That's all. So this value I got it 100. Next thing, what should I do? Same thing I should do for tan 60. Tan 60 is what? BD by tan 60. Tan 60 means the whole angle. So full thing, BD by AB. BD by AB. So what is my BD? It is 100 plus X. 100 plus X by AB is 100. And tan 60, what is the value? Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 into 100 is equal to 100 plus X. So we'll get X is equal to what? 100 root 3 minus 100. Correct? So 100 into root 3 minus 1. So this was the height of the aeroplane. So guys, in this question, a person standing at a point A is looking up. It's not look up, it's looking up at the angle of elevation 45 degree. So first your aeroplane was at position C. Correct? Later on what will happen? Aeroplane is going upward. So from C to D it is going. Correct? Then the person, if it is going like this, then the person also has to look somewhat upwards, right? Then that angle is 60 degree. So they given the first thing is height is 100 meter. So when the airplane was reaching at C, from the ground, what is the height of the airplane? 100 meter. Correct? Then we know an important trigonometry formula. Tan 45 is nothing but BC by AB. Correct? Tan 45 value is 1. So it's equal to BC by AB. So BC is equal to AB will come. BC value is 100. So AB value will also be 100. Correct? So that part is done. This triangle ABC is over. Now I'm taking the bigger triangle ABD. ABD, what is the angle here? Tan 60 is the angle. What is tan 60? Opposite side by base. Base is AB. BD is what? 100 plus X. BC plus CD. BC plus CD. 100 plus X by 100. Correct? Tan 60, what is the value? Root 3. That root 3 value I have written here, root 3. Then what happened? This 100 will get cross multiplied here. So 100 into root 3 equal to 100 plus X. So X is equal to what? I'll write one more step here. Simple thing. So X is equal to, we'll get 100 root 3 minus 100. So I am taking 100 common. So that's why I'm getting 100 into root 3 minus 1 as the answer. Now is it clear to everyone?